Standard 7 Mathematics Chapter number 1 Integers Exercise 1.1 Question number 10. Hello friends, I am Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Here in this video we are going to see exercise 1.1 question number 10, which is a long question, and understand it very calmly because it is very important question to be understood. If you have not seen earlier video till now, then see from part number 1 to part number 6. This is our part number 7 of the same chapter. Let us begin with the question. Question number 10, exercise 1.1. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. It means on the first step the monkey sitting. The water level is at the 9th step. Monkey is sitting on the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jump will he reach the water level? Second one, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps down in every move. In how many jump will he reach back the top step? And the third one, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following, that is A, minus 3 plus 2, so on, minus 8, 4 minus 2 plus so on 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will sum 8 in B represent? So this is a long question. Let us try to understand it one by one. Let us begin with question number 1. First of all, we'll understand the situation. Here I have drawn the mark in which they have given the monkey is sitting on topmost step. Means here the monkey is sitting and the water level is on the 9th. Means here the water level is on the 9th step. Now the monkey has to reach from step 1 to step 9. Now question number 1, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps. Means from 1 he jumps 3 steps down, 2, 3 and 4. Then again he jumps 2 steps up. Means 1 and 2. Again he will be on the second step. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Means once he will jump 3 steps down, 2, 3 and 4. Then again 3 and 4 he will be on second one. Again he will jump from 2 to 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3 down. Again he will come 2 steps up, means on the 3. Again from here 1, 2 and 3. Again he will come 2 up, that is on 4. 1, 2 and 3. Again 1, 2. He will be on fifth one. Again 1, 2 and 3. He will be again 1, 2 here. Again 1, 2 and 3. Again 2. This way we now need to calculate. So let us start with the solution. What is given? That let us consider the step moved down are represented by positive integer. Let us consider that is step moved down are considered as represented by positive integer. And then the step moved up are represented by negative integers, and step moved up represent by negative integer. So positive and negative integer we have kept it. When moved down it is positive integer, and when come back, that is up, will be considered as the positive integer, negative integer. Initially monkey is sitting on first step. So we'll begin with initially monkey is sitting on step 1 and then he start jump. So in first jump, where monkey will reach? We'll begin with in first jump. Monkey will be at step. You know that what monkey was doing? 3 step down and 2 step up. So first time he was on step number 1. As you can see in the figure, he was on first one. He jumped 3 step down. Then he will be on 4th step. So I'll write it on step 1 plus 3 step positively he has gone down. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 step. So he will be on the 4th step. Then in second jump, monkey will be at the step. Yeah, as I told you, he was on the first step. He jumped 3 step down, 1, 2 and 3. At the first jump he will be on the 4th step. But after that what he did? The monkey jumped 2 step up. In the second jump he will be on 3rd and 2. He will be reaching on the second one. So we'll write it, second jump monkey will be at the step. That is, he was on the 4th plus now monkey is going upward. If it is going upward, I told you that we have considered the steps move down are represented by positive integer and step moved up are represented by negative. So here I will say it comes back, comes up means 4 minus 2. I will write it here. As we have already learned, that is plus into minus. Here it is plus minus minus. So 4 minus 2 is equal to second step. So first jump monkey will be on 4th step. Again 2 step up monkey is coming. So on the second step he will reach. Again on the third jump, where will be the monkey? In third jump monkey will be reaching on. We know that presently the monkey is on second step. Again monkey will jump down 3 step. 3 step down is given as positive integer. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 step. So after that it would be on the 5th stage. Now again in 4th jump, where will be the monkey? Presently the monkey is on the 5th step. Again the monkey will come back 2 step. So plus minus 2. Again 5 plus minus minus. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3rd step. So on the 4th jump monkey will be on 3rd step. Again in 5th jump, where will be the monkey? On the 4th jump monkey was on 3rd step plus again 3 goes down. When monkey is going down, we are representing it with the positive integer, and when monkey is jump up, we are representing it with the negative integer. So again monkey came up 2 step and reach on the 3rd. Again monkey goes down. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 step. In 6th step, or we can say in 6th jump, where will be the monkey? That is, again monkey was on 6th step. Again it will come 2 step back. So 6 plus minus 2, that is equal to 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to, how much is that? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4th step. So monkey is reach on 4th step. Now again we'll go ahead in 7th jump. Where will be the monkey? In 7th jump he was on step number 4 plus again 3 will be jumped down. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 step. In 8th jump, he was on 7. Now come back, that is 2 step, plus that is minus 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5th step. In 9th jump, where will be the monkey? In 8th jump, he was on 5 plus goes on 3. So 5 plus 3 will be on the 8th step. The monkey will be. Again in 10th jump, monkey will come 2 step back, that is up. So 8 plus minus 2, that is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6th step. Now what will be happening at the step number 11? We'll see here. I'll write it, 11th step, where will be the monkey? On 10th jump, the monkey was on 6th step, plus 3 step monkey goes down. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 step. So at the 11th jump, monkey reach on the water level, which is at the 9th step. I hope you understood. Again, from the figure I will try to explain you what it wanted to say. You will see in the figure. First time the monkey was on step number 1. All step going down are represented by positive integer. If going down, it is represented by positive integer, and if the monkey jump up, it is shown by the negative integer. The monkey was on first step and monkey jump 3 step down, means on the first jump, where will be the monkey? Monkey was here, it jumped 3 down, 1, 2 and 3. So here you can see, initially monkey is sitting on first step. In the first jump, monkey will be at, it was on first step and 3 jump down. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So on first jump, the monkey will reach at the 4th step. After that, in second jump, monkey is coming reverse, that is coming up. That is represented by negative integer. So from 4th 2 step, it comes up. So it would be on the second step. In second jump, where will be the monkey? At the first jump, monkey was on 4th step. Plus 2 step, it comes back. So 4 plus minus 2 is equal to second. So it reaches on second at the second jump. Again, in the third jump, it will be going third, fourth and fifth. It will reach on the 5th. In third jump, the monkey will reach 2 plus 3 is equal to 5th step. What happened in the fourth jump? Fourth jump, again 2 step come back. So it was on the 5th step at the end of the third jump, but it comes back with the 2 step. So it comes on third. You can see it was on 5th, 2 step up. So it comes on 3. Again next jump, that is jump number 5th. In that case, what would happen? It was on 3. 1, 2 and 3 jump. He will be on 6th step. You can see on the 5th jump, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. In the 7th jump, again 2 step up, 1 and 2. It would be on 4th. That is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Again 3, 1, 2 and 3. So will be on 7 in the next jump. In 8th jump, that is 7th step he was, or I can say 4th step he was. Then he will jump for 7. But at the 8th step, 2 step come back. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. In 9th jump, again from 7, that is it reach on 5 at the jump number 8th. And 9th jump from 5th, it will jump 1, 2 and 3. So it reaches on 8th step. Then in 10th jump, again from 8, 2 back, so it will reach on 6th. And the last jump, that is on 11th jump, 6 plus 3, so it will jump 1, 2 and 3 over here. I hope you understood. Here I will explain you only through the figure. This is what I have explained through the integer. Down is a positive integer, upward is a negative integer. But in this case, what I am explaining is jump number 1. I'll show you. See the figure only. Jump number 1, 1, 2 and 3. This is jump number 1. Then in jump 2, where it will come? 1 and 2. At jump 2, he will be here. Jump 3. From second, it is 1, 2 and 3. You will be reaching, that is 1. From second, 1, 2 and 3. You will reach on 5. Jump number 4, 1 and 2 back. On the third, again from third, 1, 2, 3. On 6th it will reach. Again back, 4th it will come. Again 3 jump, 1, 2 and 3. It will be on 7. Again 2 jump up, it will be on 5. Again 3 jump, 1, 2 and 3. It will be on 8. Again 2 jump up, will be on 6. And last jump 7, 8 and 9, it will reach on the 9th step. This is the only first question of this particular question. But the video becomes long, so in next video we will see the second question in detail. I hope you understood this. If you understand this question and its answer, its solution, then click on the like button to like this video. In next part we will see question number 10, exercise 1.1, second and third part of this question. Thank you so much.